Hi everyone, welcome to Sanjeevani Life Plus channel. Today we are going to discuss how to get the 10 by 10 GPA in social studies upcoming public exam. So first I would like to explain the paper model. Based on the paper model, as per academic standard, how we will get easily I will say. First one, section 1, everybody knows 6 into 2, 12 marks will come, and second section 6 into 4, 24 marks. Third section 6 questions will come, 4 questions you want to write, each question 6 marks, 24 marks, and part B 20 marks. And here first academic standards, 6 academic standards are there. First, conceptual understanding. Section 1 in conceptual understanding questions, how many will come? Only 2 or 3 questions will come from the conceptual understanding. So you will get 4 marks. And the remaining questions, you will get the read the text interpretation. So section 1 in read the text interpretation won't come. Section next academic standard 3 information skill. Definite question 2 marks will come from the is section 3. So they will give information, one table or else it is the read the paragraph or else any chart or map they will give and they will ask. That is the one information skill. And the next one TS map, Telangana outline map. They will ask to draw 2 marks gunshot question. And they will ask the is of highest density district in Telangana or is what is the capital of Telangana. These 2 questions they will ask. Draw the Telangana outline map and is a capital of Telangana or highest density district. Both also Hyderabad only. So you can practice Telangana. 2 marks will come. Is a information skill for 2 marks and is a Telangana map for 2 marks. And the next one, 6th academic standards to appreciation and sensitivity. Appreciation and sensitivity, definitely one question will ask 2 marks. Is appreciation sensitivity, whom to they will ask? Is mainly for us, they are going to ask Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Gandhiji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Martin Luther King, Professor Jayashankar. These numbers too they will ask. So, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also important one. These personalities too you can gather the information. That is the 2 marks. And one more question, information skill only. It is the slogans will come. Okay, slogans. So slogans 2 marks. So these 8 marks are the easy marks. 2 conceptual understanding. Direct 2 questions they will ask from history or civics to 1 question they will ask, and is a geography to 1 question they will ask. So the 2 questions if you are attempting, you will get the easily one question for 1 mark also you will get 2 marks. So section 1 in easily you will get the 10 marks. Next one section 2. Okay, section 2 24 marks, 6 questions will come. In that 6 questions in conceptual understanding 1 question they will ask. From conceptual understanding 1 question is means 4 marks. So definitely you will get a conceptual understanding. From the first lesson to 100% question will come. If missed 4th lesson, climate of India, because these are the 2 lessons are the interrelated questions. Next one is that is the one you can remember it. Next question is it will come read the text interpretation. 100% question. Okay, read the text interpretation. Read the text interpretation for we have to follow some parameters. It is very important. What parameters we have to follow? Sir, we want to follow definitely. If you will follow the parameters, definitely you will get 4 marks. What are those? First one, introduction. The paragraph you can read properly and you can write the introduction of paragraph. Next one, my interpretation on given paragraph. Paragraph consists the problem. Definitely they will give the problem and they will give the result also. Here is a problem, reason, examples, experience, result, suggestion or conclusion, and the last one slogan. If you are written these side headings, definitely you will get the 4 marks. So as a conceptual understanding, maybe you will get the 3 marks if you are attempting the question is a second question. Read the text interpretation. 4 marks out of 4 you will get it. And the next one world map. Mapping skill to world map you will get it. Easily 4 marks you will get. So which questions they will ask to you also. World mapping compared to the India map. World map is dead easy. Here one is a application question they will ask you. Which application question? Mostly 99% headquarter of the International Court of Justice. That is the Netherlands, The Hague. Or else UNO headquarter or UNESCO headquarter, like that they will ask you. So that is the one, it is the mapping skill, 4 marks you will get it. Next one, information skill to one more question will come. Information question in the sense is a table or graph analysis they will ask. Is that is the about of the table graph, if you will, is a first introduction we have to write. Table introduction is related to which topic, what it is given, that you can write about the is a introduction. That is the data, that table or graph, what it is given. As it is data you can write. And the next one is analysis of data. This is very important. Mostly they will ask the pie charts to us, or else bar graph or table. Here pie charts if they will ask is the data. For example, 1952 elections, 1962 elections are given. So if you are concentrate on the world map and India map, is the India map in which places regularly they are asking and where we will get the confusion. And here is the highest peak in India is Mount K2. Highest peak in South India, Dodabetta. Is the highest peak in Eastern Ghats. Is Chintapalli near Aromakonda. Highest peak in Nilagiri Hills, Dodabetta. Highest peak in South India, Anaimudi. Okay, highest peak in world is Mount Everest. Next is old fold mountains in India, Aravalis. Young fold mountains in the India, Himalayas. Is highest richest plateau in India, Chota Nagpur plateau. Richest mineral resource is the Chota Nagpur plateau. Okay, like that they will ask. Next one is the longest river in India, Ganga river. Is the first longest river in South India, river Godavari. So like that they will ask it. Indirectly skill based question, application method they will ask. So you can able to write it. Next one is which place was submerged in the 2004 tsunami? Is Nicobar Islands. That is the map pointing is very important. Is these are the about of the one application, one conceptual understanding, one read the text interpretation, one table will come. Okay, here for example analysis of the graph, if they will give the 2 marks question and they will ask the table to us. Okay, so if you are follow this method, 100% you will get the 10 by 10 GPA in social. Next one, part B. Part B in recent time, last year onwards, little bit difficult they are giving the paper in the part B. Is a statement questions they will ask in. Right or wrong they are asking. Which is the correct one? Answer the following question. Like that they are asking to us, that we have to focus it. And one more important topic in the part B is the current affairs. Current affairs questions is very important. Telangana as well as India. For example, last free final exam they are asked central is a central cabinet environmental minister name is asked. So how much stress, how much depth they are asking, once you can remember it. Here mostly they will ask who is the Supreme Court Chief Justice. Okay, is Chandrachudan. Who is the Vice President of India? Jagdeep Dhankar. And the Chief Election Commissioner of India, Rajiv Kumar. Is the Chief Election Commissioner Telangana, Vikas Raj. Next one is like that they will ask the part B. So these techniques if you are followed, you will get the 10 by 10 in social. And one more thing, question answers 100% you can write the point wise. Use the blue pen and black pen. Important word you can underline with pencil. You can mention the question number and section number properly. And map you have to write neatly and visibly. And map tracing also important. For example, mountain chains, if they will ask, mountain chains means we have to write like that. River, okay, is any project, if they will ask across the river, you can write the project. Next one is a plateaus, okay, plateaus are, for example, Thar desert, okay, Thar desert is a next is like that, you can find out it. And same, for example, is a world map or India map in any states they will ask, okay, if you will ask the states, for example, here Kerala they are asking, so like that you have to find out and write it, so easily you will get the mark. That is a simple techniques, if you are follow, you will get the 10 by 10 in social. I hope all the best all of you, and won't forget to subscribe our channel and do